The Alps, one of the most impressive mountain ranges on Earth. Stretching across 8 countries, they form the heart of Europe. But their origin is as extraordinary as their appearance. Millions of years ago, this was the seafloor of the Tethys Ocean. But around 100 million years ago, the African plate began to move northward and collided with the Eurasian plate. The immense forces pushed the ocean floor upwards, forming the Alps. Even today, the mountains continue to grow by a few millimeters per year, and fossils in the rock layers serve as silent witnesses to the marine past. But the Alps are not just a geological marvel, they are also a weather divide. They separate the humid, temperate climate of Western Europe from the dry Mediterranean climate in the south. At the same time, continental influences from the east bring hot summers and cold winters. These contrasting climates shape both the landscape and the way people live. The Alps, once an ocean floor, now a powerful mountain range that shapes weather and life. A fascinating testament to the turbulent history of our planet.